Hey, this is Brad Gill, Next Home Lifestyles. Welcome to another Lifestyles listing. If you're looking for a modern home that's located within reasonable commute distance of our technology companies, yet located just beyond the bustle of the city, then look no further than this well-maintained townhouse located at Basking Ridge of Santa Teresa. Welcome home to 869 Del Avion Lane, a luxurious 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom townhouse offering 1,257 square feet of immaculate interior living space, along with an attached 2-car garage, a private balcony, and a desirable corner location. Upon arrival, an impressive landing with high ceilings greets visitors. Just upstairs, the main level opens to reveal a spacious living and dining room, providing adequate room for both entertaining and everyday living. A 2-sided gas fireplace separates these rooms, and a sliding glass door at the dining room opens onto a private balcony, ideal for enjoying views over the beautiful community. This kitchen serves up modern features such as stainless steel appliances, granite countertops and backsplash, and a large breakfast bar. Just beyond the kitchen, the primary suite is very roomy. It offers tall ceilings, a walk-in closet, and an ensuite bathroom with double sink vanity and a shower over bathtub. The guest bedroom is also spacious with a large closet as well. The hall bathroom offers a shower over bathtub, tile flooring, and an updated vanity. Come home to the beautiful Allegro at Basking Ridge, a recently built master plan community nestled at the base of a gently rolling hillside in Santa Teresa. Residents will surely enjoy an active lifestyle as this community offers numerous amenities, including access to walking paths and jogging trails along Coyote Creek, a local community park with playground and picnic tables, several community swimming pools, and its own public elementary school. Basking Ridge also offers all the conveniences of urban living, as residents are just minutes from the numerous shopping, dining, and entertainment options such as Costco at Great Oaks and the Safeway and Target shopping centers at Cottle Road, boasting an abundance of fine dining options. Plus, public transportation is convenient with access to light rail and freeways 101 and 85. Find your next home today exclusively at 869 Del Avion Lane in San Jose. It's been a real pleasure showing you around this wonderful home today. I'm Brad Gill with Next Home Lifestyles, and I'd like to invite you to come see it in person. Thank you so much for watching.